Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to introduce our newest products. On my right hand, this is a countertop curved glass refrigerators for the bakery displays. And let's take a look at the overall sizes first. Entire length is about like a 27.5 inches long. And the overall depths, they are about like a 22.5 inches deep. And the overall height is about like a 27 inches tall. As you can see, the units, they come with the curved glass at the front. So we need to access the units at the back. So let's take a look at the back side. Okay, this is the back side of the units. We're having the sliding doors to access from the behind. And they come with the 2 shelvings, include the bottom layers. They have total 3 layers. And we have a controllers right here. They have a digital temperature showing you, and the switchers. Units, they come in with a 110 standard US plugs. And let's take a look at measurements for the inner side. The inner side depth about like a 14.5 inches deep. And it's about like a 15 inches tall. And the length about like a 25.5 inches. And also on the side of the units, we're having the sticker information right here. They have all the cut sheets and the ETL sanitation approved stickers on the machine. So this is all information about our products. And if you have more questions, you can contact with us. Thank you.